I realized, oh my goodness, if I bought 10 properties, that's $2,500 a month without working. That's $30,000 a year in passive income. 20 properties is $5,000 a month without working. That is $60,000 a year in passive income. You just keep scaling from there. Your value is so much more than anybody could ever pay you. And this is how you absolutely know that you're worth so much more than they'll pay you. So number one, your boss is only paying you just enough money to keep you working without quitting, but not so much money that takes money out of their pocket. And so what I did is I kept changing my life, my mindset from being an employee to now being an investor. I went to my new boss, great boss and everything, and I went to him, I said, boss, I'm laying you off. Jokingly, I said that, but I'm like, here's my 2 weeks notice. I am done here. And he said, Dustin, what are you gonna do? And I said, I don't have to do anything. I literally have rental properties. They make me $250 or more in passive income from every property, and I'm gonna quit. You're getting paid so much less than you are worth. You need to start getting paid for the value.
That was incredible, man. You were starting to build that portfolio. You had a little bit of cash flowing come there. Can you talk about that and how you got into those first couple properties, how you got the ball rolling? I know a lot of people listening to this, they may have hesitations, analysis paralysis. There's a variety of reasons why you're not getting started.
I'll say this over and over again, is we need to build the business first. That's the right way. But let me quickly jump to the wrong way, how I did it. When I first started investing, found a property manager and found a realtor and put them together, bought a property and quote unquote had a rental property. The first check was great, but in 6 months, my property manager started stealing from me. And the reason why is because I didn't vet the property manager. I didn't do anything to build the business. I was just listening to other quote unquote coaches, teachers, gurus on how to do this. This is what they tell you. And this is what I did. This is the wrong way. Let me quickly give you the right way. We build the business first. And now, remember, I've always been entrepreneurial, like I said. So that first time I did it wrong. But then after I realized this is wrong, let me take it at the business approach. Let me figure out how to do it if I were a business owner. So that's what I did. I started implementing different things. All these other people will tell you your property is your business or is a business. Each property is a business. That's absolutely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. What we do here at Master Passive Income and how we scale our business, this is how I was able to quit my job. I build the entire business first, and then I now buy properties, and that is my inventory. So I build the business, and then I buy a property. That's a piece of inventory that I put into the business, and that was how I can scale so fast because I already have the entire business built. You find property managers, realtors, wholesalers, inspectors, plumbers, roofers, contractors, handymen, insurance agents, mortgage brokers. Like, we do all that stuff before we buy any properties. You'll know that this is the wrong way to do it. Imagine you bought a property, you listen to everybody else. They say, run the numbers, make sure you're making a little bit of money in passive income, and then you do all those other things like I just shared with you. If you buy a property, spend thousands of dollars on a property, then spend even more $1,000 to fix it up, then find a tenant, and then go and look for a property manager, and you cannot find a good property manager, then you don't have an asset anymore. You literally have a liability because you don't have anybody to manage the property. We invest all over the country. My students and I, we invest all over the country. But because we build the business first, we don't have a liability. We make sure we build a business, buy the property. It's going to make us a $250 a month or more in passive income. And then we just put it into our business and we have our managers, basically everybody else do the work. But I'll quickly share this last thing. This is how I was able to quit my job. I bought that first property and then used my cash, my wife and my cash to buy that first property, then refinanced it, pulled the cash out to buy the next property. Then I refinanced it, did it over and over again. So I just kept recycling my money. I knew $250 or more in passive income. That is $3,000 a year. $3,000 a year is a lot of money. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you want to make passive income by investing in real estate or grow your investments to achieve financial freedom, well, consider joining the Real Estate Wealth Builders Mastermind with me. Now, in the mastermind, we have people that in as little as 18 months have bought enough properties, 12 rental properties, to make money for them passively for financial freedom, and you can too. It's not about having a lot of money to invest. It's about having access to the right information, the right community of people, and the right coaching. So if you're interested in joining, I want you to check the link in the description and join us so that you become financially free by investing in real estate.